Hey guys, today I will show you these embellishments that you can use for your junk journal, and these will be two secret writing areas with some extra writing space that looks like this. This part looks the same as this one, so let's make it. I'll start with giving some color to my edges, just so that the whole thing will be like more visible. So I go all the way around it. Now I'm using my white glue, just one side, and the same is here. Let it dry properly, and when it's dry, it's up to you whether to use scissors or you do it my way. If you want to make these straight lines, just go like this, but I want to make it shabby, so I'll go like this. You can do this in advance as well, and the same here. Now let's use the inks again. I am making the edges visible, and as you can see, if this line was straight, it would be a bit boring. We're almost there, and at this point you choose where you want to install the closures. Since these are quite long, I am thinking about making them double. And two more here somewhere. If you don't have this stuff, you can enforce the holes with some thick paper, some cardstock. Just cut out some little rounds and make nice and even holes in them. I thought right now that it's better if I move these closures a bit lower so that it won't be too thick when it's closed. So I'm moving in about 2 centimeters lower. And all I have to do now is to choose some ribbon. So we go like this and like that, just to make sure that it's enough. Now I will make 4 more of this. I'm not sure I have this much of the same ribbon. So I'll make it different. Or maybe I'll use this short one. Yeah, why not? I install it. And I'm making this one a little bit longer. And then I let this long side to go to the right. And then I close it, just the usual way. And I have these two different, so I will put the longer one at the bottom. And the last one will go like this. The same system. It's just when I close it, it will be simply like this. Not too tight. You can embellish these areas also with something, but I'm gonna leave it for writing. You can also add here more pages if you wish. And the same I will add here. Something like this. Now I'm just closing them, and that's it. Enjoy your journaling, guys, and please stay safe, healthy, and creative.